Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to pay your quarterly taxes online. First, confirm if you are required to make estimated tax payments, which is common for self-employed individuals or those with significant income not subject to withholding. Next, gather your essential information, including your Social Security number or ITIN, and your bank account details for the payment process. This preparation ensures a smooth transaction. The easiest method is using IRS Direct Pay, a free and secure service directly from the Internal Revenue Service. Navigate to the IRS website and locate the Direct Pay section. This platform allows you to make payments directly from your checking or savings account. You can even schedule your payments up to 365 days in advance, offering great flexibility for your financial planning. Once on the Direct Pay page, select Estimated Tax as your payment reason. Then, choose the correct tax form, which is usually Form 1040-ES for individuals. Carefully enter the exact amount you wish to pay. Double-check your bank routing number and account number to ensure accuracy. This step is crucial for your payment to be processed correctly and on time. After submitting your payment, you will receive a confirmation number. It's highly recommended to save this number immediately. The IRS will also send an email confirmation to the address you provided, typically within 24 hours. Always keep a digital or printed copy of this confirmation for your records. This documentation is vital for your tax filing and provides proof of payment.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.